Welcome everyone to the how-to tutorial. For this video of how-to tutorial, I will be showing you how to change language in Amazon. So for that, first of all, open the Amazon application on your mobile device. Tap open the app. Once you're at the home page of the Amazon, you need to tap on the three horizontal lines on the bottom right. Tap that. And there you need to tap on the setting. Tap on setting. Once you tap on the setting, you will have the option of country and language. You tap that, and from there you will be able to change the language for your Amazon. You just tap on the drop down menu in the language, and from there you will be able to choose the other language that you want your Amazon account to be. So just tap on any other language over here. Once you tap that, you can see the language over here has been changed to a different one. So you need to save this option as well. For that, click on the save. It will reopen the Amazon application in different language from then. So this is how you can change language in Amazon. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the how-to tutorial. Thank you for watching till the very end.